My name's Adam Henson. I farm a 650 hectare tenancy here in the heart of the Cotswold Hills with my business partner Duncan Andrews. And part of our business is the Cotswold Farm Park, where we have a large collection of rare farm animals, something that my dad opened in 1971. And we continue his legacy looking after British rare farm animals. And I've got some favourites, of course, my 3 county breeds, the Gloucestershire cattle, famous for their double Gloucester cheese and delicious beef, the Cotswold sheep, which named the hills around us, famous for their long, lustrous, beautiful wool. And then, of course, the wonderful Gloucestershire Old Spot pig with their white bodies and black spots. As well as the cattle, sheep and pigs, of course, one of the other rare breeds is the equine, the horses and the ponies. And my favourite has got to be the Exmoor pony, a really tough, hardy breed that's ancient. And my dad gave me and my 3 sisters a breed each when we were little to inspire us and encourage us into getting into rare breeds conservation. And we still have a herd of Exmoor ponies on the farm now. My other beautiful equine that we have is the Suffolk Punch. And the favourite between the 2 I've got one called Lexi and one called Victoria. And Lexi is one that we've been breeding from. She had a foal called Braveheart, then one called Mayflower, and now she's pregnant again. So I'm really looking forward to the spring, and hopefully she'll give birth to another filly.